Hey there, it's Danielle from 4Patriots. Do you know what I love most about late summer? The start of tailgate season. And I'd like to mention I'm wearing some 4Patriots team swag today. Pretty cool, huh? Seriously though, we all have our favorite sports teams. We love watching them play. But the best part of game season has to be tailgating. And today, I'm going to show you all the best gadgets we've got to turn yours into the only solar tailgate in town. In other words, we'll show you how to elevate your tailgate. But first, be sure to hit the subscribe button on our channel. And don't forget to tap that little bell right beside it. You'll get notifications each time we post a new video. And we've got some more awesome videos in store you won't want to miss. Now let's get tailgating, shall we? Yeah! Okay, you heard that, right? Of course you did. And the reason you heard that is because there's not a roaring generator yelling and gargling in the background, overwhelming your ears. That's because I'm using the Patriot Power Generator 1800 to power my tailgate. This powerful yet portable guy is going to supply us with all the off-grid, reliable solar power we need to keep this tailgate party going. Trust me when I say your tailgate neighbors are about to become your #1 fan. The Patriot Power Generator 1800 really packs a punch, and I'm using it to easily power all the gear you see here to cook and store the food we're about to make. As you know, not all tailgates are created equal, and some locations have rules when it comes to having an open fire grill. But that shouldn't ruin your fun now, should it? There are all kinds of yummy foods you can make for a tailgate party that don't require fire. But today, I'm whipping up one of my all-time favorites, chili cheese dogs. We're going to use our solar generator to power our hot plate, portable electric grill, and even our TV to watch the game when we're done. Because the Patriot Power Generator is totally portable and fume-free, you don't have to sacrifice any of your tailgating needs. But in terms of today, we've got the power. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's switch gears to show you one of my favorite devices ever, the Freedom Fridge. If there was ever a perfect companion for all your tailgate fun, this guy is it. This ingenious food device is keeping all the condiments we're going to use cold. I love the Freedom Fridge because it allows you to take all your favorite foods, hot or cold, on the road with you. You can see right here, I've stored some of our toppings for our chili cheese dogs. Some tomatoes, some onions, sour cream, mustard. I've also got some room for some cold drinks. Cheers. You may be thinking, isn't this just a cooler? And the answer is, it's so much more. The Freedom Fridge isn't just a fridge, it's also a food warmer. So if I wanted to serve hot fried chicken at this tailgate, I'd be covered too. I do need to point out that in order to run it as a mobile refrigerator or warmer, you'll need to plug it in to power. But the good news is, when plugged into our Patriot Power Generator 1800, the Freedom Fridge will run almost 11 hours, way longer than any game should last. Okay, now that we know our chili cheese dog condiments will stay good and cold in the Freedom Fridge, let's move on to get our chili whipped up using our meat and protein survival food kit. So you can see we've got our hot plate plugged in to our Patriot Power Generator, and I have my chili already stewing. After this, I'll cook the hot dogs on the electric grill. Now earlier, I added some water from these aqua totes, canned diced tomatoes, and the ground beef and beans from a Meat and Protein Deluxe Survival Food Kit to get this chili going. This is one of my favorite specialty survival food kits because of the 2 kinds of protein you get. And chili just happens to be one of the recipes that uses both. Just a side note, if there are any vegetarians dining on this tailgate, you could also substitute in our plant-based black bean burgers. They're super easy to make and grill perfectly on the electric grill. Okay, this looks like it's just about done. It smells amazing. This is gonna be so good on our hot dogs. Before I get to that, I'd like to point out that while I love my chili hot, I don't like to be, but it's still a bit warm here in the South after all. In an effort to combat the heat, like I like to combat the opposing team, I also brought my portable fan and Patriot Power Sidekick. Bringing in the power at just under 10 pounds, The Sidekick offers hours of relief when the heat just won't quit. The options really are limitless with 4Patriots power options. That being said, one way to cool down that doesn't require a power connection is our Patriot Power Blender. Oh, it's spicy like our chili. Now, any experienced tailgater will tell you listening to a good game on the radio is a great alternative to TV. And this guy here, this gizmo can tune into the game, give you 24/7 weather alerts, play music, connect to shortwave radio, and give your phone an extra oomph of power if it needs a little juice. One last thing, it's time to tell everybody the grub is ready, but with so many people in such a small area, cell service is limited. So how do you communicate with the family when your calls keep dropping? The talk and go walkie-talkies is how. Come and get it!
Okay, Mom.
The kids love these gadgets, but they're also pretty darn useful for outdoor activities or if you're out of range without cell service. Just lock in a channel, push the button, and you've got a connection. Okay, food's ready and we have plenty of time before we head into the game. Time to enjoy the fruits of our labor. What's your favorite way to tailgate? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're down there, and happy tailgating!